Take a moment to check out the 2019 Chrysler Pacifica. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Choose the minivan that's safe, smart, comfortable, and fun to drive. The Pacifica ticks all the boxes. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, power liftgate, power passenger seat, heated rear seat, fog lamps, backup camera, remote engine start, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control. Get into a family vehicle that's both fun to drive and works overtime to keep passengers safe. Come in and drive the Pacifica.